Students, today we will study classification of living organism into major groups. For year long ago, living organisms were classified into two kingdoms, the animal kingdom and the plant kingdom, on the basis of motility and nutrition. The animal kingdom contained mainly motile organisms which fed heterotrophically, and the plant kingdom contained mainly the static organism which fed autotrophically by photosynthesis. When microbes were discovered, unicellular heterotroph protozoa were put in animal kingdom and unicellular autotroph, that means prototrophs, were put in the plant kingdom with the algae. Fungi were included in the plant kingdom on the basis of the theory that they had arisen from an algal ancestor which had lost their chlorophyll and taken up a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Bacteria were also included in the plant kingdom mainly on the ground that they possess cell wall. With the discovery of certain microorganisms that had both plant-like and animal-like character, major difficulties arose in arising them to one of the two kingdoms. However, as more and more was learned about bacteria, slime molds, fungi and other unicellular organisms, many biologists believed that they should be placed in a separate kingdom. Organisms such as slime mold were found to be resemble plant in their reproduction and animal in their nutrition. As a result, in 1886, Haeckel proposed a third kingdom, the Protista. Protistos means primitive or first, to include all the unicellular organisms, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic, motile and non-motile. Example, the algae, the fungi, the protozoans, slime molds and the bacteria. The virus, being non-cellular, were not included in the classification scheme of living organism. In the mid-20th century, electron microscopy showed that all the cellular organisms could be classified on the basis of their cell structure into two groups, the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. The basic difference between prokaryotes and the eukaryotes is the organization of genetic material. In prokaryotes, the DNA is usually in the form of a single circular filament or loop and lie free in the cell. By contrast, the DNA of the eukaryote is contained within a membrane-bound nucleus and is usually packed together with the histones and other protein into one too many chromosome. Correlate with this number of difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes take the group found as a unit of structure in prokaryote bacteria, blue-green algae. In eukaryotes, they are the algae, fungi, protozoa, higher plants and animal. In prokaryote, the size of the cell vary from 1 to 10 micrometer in diameter, while in eukaryote it vary from 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter. General form of prokaryotes are unicellular or simple filamentous, sometimes with a cellular differentiation but no tissue differentiation. But while in eukaryote it may be unicellular, colonial or filamentous, but most are multicellular with the tissue differentiation. Organization of genetic material in case of prokaryote does not have the true nucleus surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The DNA form a dense packed area within the cytoplasm known as the nucleoid. No nucleolus. DNA does not exist in a multiple chromosome but in a single circular segment. DNA does not contain histone. Extrachromosomal DNA element called the plastids may be present within the cytoplasm. While in case of eukaryotic cell, organization of genetic material is is a true nucleus that is separated from the cytoplasm by a well-defined nuclear membrane. Within the nucleus, the DNA is organized in a linear strand called chromosome. A nucleolus is also present. DNA associated with a histone protein, plasmids only found in yeast. Then segregation of DNA in case of prokaryotic is that no mitotic division occur. Cell division by binary fission occur without microtubules. That means the spindle fibers are not formed. While in case of eukaryote, segregation takes place. Cell divides by means of mitotic division. Chromosomes are segregated with the help of microtubules. Sexual system in case of prokaryotes is unidirectional transfer of genetic material from donor to the recipient. No meiosis occur, while the sexual system in case of eukaryotic is of equal participation of the genome. That means the gametes of the two partner at fertilization. Meiosis lead to the production of gamete. Cellular organization, cytoplasmic streaming, phagocytosis or pinocytosis is absent in prokaryote while it is present in eukaryotes. Mitochondria is absent in prokaryote. Energy metabolism is associated with cytoplasmic membrane while mitochondria is present in eukaryotes. Chloroplast is absent. If present, the same is associated with the cell membrane system and vesicle in the cytoplasm, while chloroplast is present in eukaryote, algal and plant cell, lacking in fungi, while endoplasmic reticulum is absent in the prokaryote, present in the eukaryote. Golgi body is absent in the prokaryote and present in the eukaryote. Mesosome is present in the prokaryotic cell while absent in the eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes, they are present in both the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, but the size of the is smaller. In case of prokaryotic cell, it is 70S and it is distributed in the cytoplasm and is not attached to the internal membrane, while the ribosomes are arranged on the endoplasmic reticulum and are of 80S. Mitochondrial chloroplast ribosomes are of 70S. Microtubules are absent in prokaryotic cell while it is present in the eukaryotic cell in the form of cytoskeletons of microtubules. The outer cell structure, cytoplasmic membrane, no carbohydrate and generally lacks sterols. It contains haploid. Carbohydrate and sterols are present in eukaryotic cell. Cell wall is of peptidoglycan in case of prokaryotic cell while it is absent in eukaryotic cell. Cellulose is the main strengthening compound of plant cell. Chitin of the fungal wall. Cell wall absent in the animal cell. Cilia and flagella. Flagella are simple structure made up of flagellin protein. Microtubules are lacking. If cilia and flagella are present, they are the characteristic internal structure comprising of 9 pair of microtubule encircling a further 2 pair of tubule, 9 plus 2 arrangement structure. Other feature like nitrogen fixation in prokaryotic, some have the ability to it can fix the atmospheric nitrogen, but in case of eukaryotic, none of them have the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Thank you, students.